Recently, there's been a change to the I'm Responding application on Android phones where people are no longer getting a pop-up notification. To most of the I'm Responding world, this happened last July 2020, but to some members, this is happening now due to some software configurations on their phone. Just things are coming into sync. We're getting a lot of questions about this. So please let me show how your Android phone works without the pop-up notification. You can see that when the incident notification comes up, it's what we call a simple notification along the top of your screen. You can touch that notification, and it will take you right into the main part of the application. The next thing we're going to take a look at is the quick response options. When the simple notification comes in, you're going to drag downwards from the top of your phone, exposing the notification bar. Then you'll pull down a little bit further, and we're going to use respond, no GPS on the left. Really, all it does is it sends my response, but that's a quick way that you can respond without even having to open the application itself. The next quick response option we're going to use is the one that's called respond and map. So again, you're going to drag down from the top of the notification bar, respond and map. It's going to open your application, automatically go to the mapping screen, and it's going to map you from your location to the incident location. But keep in mind also, it did respond to you. So it sent your response, and then it instantly pulls up the map for you to use. The last option that we're going to take a look at from the quick response options is called respond and detail. You're going to drag down from the top of the phone to expose the notification bar. You're going to use respond and detail on the right. Now, of course, it is responding you, and then it pulls up the incident detail. Mine just has this little notice, but if you had a much more detailed incident description here, this would be listed. At this point, you would be able to then respond to the call, use the mapping button, all the other functions that are available in the application on the screen. And the last thing we're going to take a look at is actually the same as the first thing we took a look at. If all you want to do is open up the application to see the incident detail, drag down on the notification, touch the notification, it will bring you to the incident detail. The difference between this and the option that said respond and detail is that this option, when you just touch the notification, does not respond to you. It opens up the incident detail. Any of the options that say respond and something will respond to you and then do that next function. Although Android users who have been familiar with our large screen pop-up notification in the past, that has been removed for various reasons outside of our control. What we have for our Android users is the quick response options. Just drag downwards from the top of the screen and you'll see these quick response options that you can utilize, or simply touch the notification itself to bring you into the main part of the application.